Friends, today we will be discuss about a polynomial. So polynomial, poly many means many, nomial means term. So polynomial mean poly many and nomial are many terms. Polynomial. For example, monomial. Poly means many and nominals are terms. For example, 2x one term and x square 3x. For example, this one is a monomial. Binomial, two terms, 2x plus 3, 5x plus 6y. And trinomial, a plus b plus c, 2x plus 3y plus 4z. For example, one term is a monomial is called one term of a polynomial. Binomial, two terms, 2x 3, two terms. Trinomial, first term, second term, third term, three terms are there. And higher of the degree and for monomial, binomial, trinomial, more than of your terms are called a polynomial. Here example, for example, 3x plus 4x plus 6. This one is called a 3x square plus 4x plus 3. And one term or more than of terms are is called a polynomial. For example, 2x plus 3, this one is a linear polynomial. And quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial, 2x square plus 6x plus 5. So the highest power of 2 degree is 2 and is 3 terms and monomial and trinomial, and the highest power of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. Highest degree polynomial degree is 1. This one is called a linear polynomial. And cubic polynomial, 3x cube plus 6x x square plus 5x plus 6. So highest degree of a power of 3 is called a cubic polynomial. So a degree 1 is called a linear polynomial, degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial, degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. So generally we say that polynomial in this equation p of x equal to a naught plus a1x plus a1x square plus and so on an x to the power of n minus 1. This is called nth term of the polynomial. P is called a p of x is called a polynomial of a nth term. And we say that for any example, so 2x square means degree of a 2, x is a variable, 2 is a coefficient term. For example, 3x to the power of 3 plus 6x plus 5. So highest degree of a p of x in degree 3 and x variable, x also variable. 3x cube means 3 is a coefficient term, x is a variable, 3 is a degree or exponent term plus x variable and 6 is a coefficient term plus and constant terms. For example, exercise 3.1, first question, p of x equal to 5x power of 7 minus 6x to the power of 5 plus 7x minus 6. So find the coefficient of x cube, x to the power of 5, and second one degree of p of x. So third question, constant Correct? So 5 p of x is the polynomial 5x to the power of 7 minus 6x to the power of 5 plus 7x minus 6. The coefficient of x to the power of 5 value. So x to the power of 7 where coefficient term 5, x to the power of 5 coefficient term minus 6, x coefficient term 7 and constant term. So given the coefficient term of x to the power of 5 value minus 6. The degree of a polynomial in P of x, highest degree of a polynomial in P of x, 7, x to the power of 7, x to the power of 5, x to the power of 1 are constant. So highest degree one is the 7. The degree of P of x equal to 7. And constant term there is no variable, so this one is the constant term. And second one, write the more polynomial and create 3 questions of you. Each of them. Write the 3 more polynomial. More polynomial, given example 2x square minus 3x plus 5 and 3x to the power of 5 plus 4x to the power of 4 and 6x to the power of 3 and 2x to the power of 2 plus 5. And say next one, second one and third one. For example 3x to the power of 4 plus 4x to 6x to the power of 3 plus 5x square plus 6x plus 8. So any example of the 4 of the polynomial, we can say that for example 2x square minus 3x plus c, 3x power of 5 plus 4x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube plus 2x square plus 5, 3x power of 4 plus 6x cube plus 5x square plus 6x plus 5. So we say that similarly given example and second one. So next one, state which of the following statements are true and which of a false. Give a reason, your choice. First one, the degree of the polynomial root 2 x square minus 3x plus 1 is root 2. So degree of a polynomial means let p of x equal to root 2 x square minus 3x plus 1. So highest degree of in polynomial equal to 2. So the given problem is answer root 2. This one is a false. Because root 2 is a x square coefficient term. So highest degree of in the polynomial and degree equal to 2. And second one, the coefficient of x square p of x is equal 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x plus 7 is a 2. The coefficient of x square value, so x cube value coefficient 3 and x square coefficient term 4 minus 4, x coefficient term 5 is constant. The coefficient of x square value minus 4. So 2 is a wrong and false. So right answer, the coefficient of x square minus 4. And next third one, the degree of a constant term is 0. Yes, the degree of constant term, the constant term for example 3x cube minus 4x plus 5x plus 7. The constant term always degree is a 0. Next another one, 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is a quadratic polynomial. This one is a quadratic polynomial. Degree value for example p of x equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. This one is a quadratic polynomial. So denominator value variables given for example 1 by x plus x. This one is a polynomial, not polynomial, because variable are another variable terms is not denominator. So the given equation denominator values are variable. So the given value is not a polynomial, because this one is a x square minus 5x plus 6 is the, for example 1 by n equal to n to the power of minus 1. So denominator value is inverse of minus 1. So the given P of x equal to 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is not a polynomial. And next another one. The degree of a polynomial one more than number of terms in it. To example mirror రాయాలి ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి. Next third one. P of t is equal t cube minus 1. Find the value P of 1, P of minus 1, P of 0, P of 2, P of minus 2. So substitute this value. Given equation P of t equal to t cube, we have P of t value is equal to t cube minus 1, and find the value P of 1. Here P of 1 equal to put t value 1, substituting the equation, and 1 cube minus 1. 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1. 1 into 1 into 1, 1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So P of 1 value 0. Next one, P of minus 1. So P of minus 1, here t value equal to, substituting, put t value is minus 1, substituting the equation 1, and t cube minus cube minus 1. So minus 1 cube means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1. So minus minus cancel. Next minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1, the given value minus 2. And next another value P of 0. So t equal to 0, substituting in the equation, put t value. Here P of 0 is equal, and 0 cube minus 1. 0 into 0 into 0, 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 value minus 1. So P of 0 value is equal minus 1. Next another one, P of 2. So t value 2, substituting in the equation, and 2 cube minus 1. 2 cube means 3 times of 2 into 2 minus 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 1 is equal 7. Next last one, P of minus 2. Here t value equal to minus 2, substituting in this equation, and P of minus 2 is equal minus 2 cube minus 1. Minus 2 cube means 3 times of minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 minus 1. Here minus minus cancel. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, plus into minus, minus 8 minus 1. So minus 9. So P of minus 2 value is equal minus 9. Once again repeat. Given we have P of t equal to t cube minus 1. So P of 1 value, find out. P of 1 equal to t value, substituting in the equation 1. 1 cube minus 1. 1 cube 1, 3 times multiplication. 1 into 1 into 1, 1. 1 minus 1 is equal 0. Minus 1 cube minus 1, substituting in the equation, minus 1 cube minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, minus 1 minus 1. So sum of these number 2, and minus symbol also. 0 value, put t equal to 0, substituting in the equation, 0 cube minus 1, 0 into 0 into 0, and minus 1, subtracting minus 1. Next 2 value, put t value, t equal to 2, substituting in the equation, 2 cube minus 1 equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 1 equal to 7. And next similarly in this one also. Next last one, fourth question, check whether minus 2 and plus 2 check zeros of the polynomial. X to the power of minus 4, 16. Let P of x equal to x to the power of minus 4 and 16. So P of x equals x to the power of minus 16. Put P value, x value equal to 2, substituting in the equation, and again next P value equal to plus 2, minus 1 and plus 2. We have x equal to minus 2 substituting in the equation p of 2, and p of minus 2 is equal minus 2 to the power of 4 minus 16. 2 to the power of 4 means 2 4 times multiplication. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 and minus 16. Minus minus cancel. Minus minus cancel. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 16 minus 16 is equal 0. Here p of minus 2 value is equal 0. Next one, x equal to 2, substituting in the equation. So p of 2 equal to 2 to the power of 4 minus 16. So 2 to the power of 4, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times multiplication. 16 minus 16 is equal 0. So p of minus 2 is equal to 0. P of 2 value is also 0. So 0 of the polynomial is equal to 0 of the polynomial. The equation P of x equal to x to the power of 4 minus 16. Okay.